Maria again. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Saturday. It's April 17th. I am taking Gabriel to Cosley Zoo. It's a nearby zoo here in where we live. And we're gonna see some animals. So let's see what they have and we will see you there. Are you excited, Gabe? We are now in the zoo. Thank you. Should I leave that with you? The papers? Yeah, thank you. Alright, so we are inside the zoo. Okay, so let's check out first. Right. Wow, that's a llama. New entry. One way, okay. Wow. Let me see. Horse. Donkey. Is there a donkey? Hee-haw. Hee-haw. That's a horse. Oh, that's a horse. Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. Okay, let me see your Hey, sweetie. Hey, look what happened. Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. Yeah. Oh, wow, Gabe. Look, Gabe. That's a sheep. That is a sheep.
Pony.
Yeah.
Pony.
Pony. It's a sheep.
Pony.
Hi, sheep.
Hi.
Hello. All right, let's find another one. Birds. There's birds too. There's that. This is a llama. Llama.
Llama.
Yes, that is a llama. Yes. All right, everyone. Gabriel is actually just at all right now watching all the animals. All right, let's take a look at him. It's his day today and he's very happy. You're mesmerized, Gabe, huh? Here's the vulture, Gabe. Here's the vulture. Vulture.
Go.
Let's go. Okay. Gabriel's having actually fun watching the animals. It's one of those motherly responsibility. Also, this is for me too. I'd like to watch the animals, but especially for him. Hi. Are you looking for
Turtle.
turtle? All right. Let's find a turtle. Hop, 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 hop. So we're going to be hanging out in here. And hanging out here. Yeah. Oh,
See you next time.
see you next time. Where are you going? We're almost done, finished touring the zoo. We're just gonna go there on the other side to watch some fishes. And I think that's it. That's our visit. And I think he had fun. You had fun, sweetie? And then we're gonna bring him to the playground and we head home. Right? Playground after. You're almost finished with your yogurt. Okay. Apple yogurt? That's a vanilla yogurt.
Vanilla.
Vanilla yogurt, almost finished. Uh-oh, you put yogurt in your hair.
Duck. Duck. The food.
You see that? Do you see that duck? That's a ducky. All right. Cross the bridge. Wow. Across the bridge. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Friend, sweetie. Good job. Oh yeah, feet first. Very good. Wow, you did it! Good job. You did it. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Very good. Yay! Good job. You wanna go more?